On the news tonight, Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Ajia Iman Sulaiman Ibrahim, says federal government is collaborating with traditional institutions to eradicate poverty and empower Nigerian women. Asiwaju Nta Ijebu calls for synergy between security agencies and Christian community in Ijebu land. Good evening and welcome to Nta Ijebu News at 7. My name is Orefe Ogunshola and here are the news in detail. The federal government is collaborating with traditional institutions through its Renewed Hope initiative to eradicate poverty and empower women in Nigeria for wealth creation and employment generation. To this end, the Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Ajia Iman Sulaiman Ibrahim, was in Abeokuta, Ogun State for the launch of the Olowu Hope Initiative Women Empowerment Foundation, a project of the Olowu of Owu Kingdom, about Professor Saka Adelola Matemilola. Akim Jimo reports.
The importance of women in shaping the home for societal development cannot be overemphasized. That is why the federal government of Nigeria is prioritizing issues that have to do with the women folk through the Renewed Hope initiative. The launch of the Olowu Hope Initiative Women Empowerment in Abeokuta, Ogun State by the Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Ajia Iman Sulaiman Ibrahim, aligns with the actualization of the vision of the federal government.
If every man is doing like this, half of our problems in Nigeria would have been solved. We're all blessed to have him, lead us in this kingdom. I can pledge my commitment to ensuring that this initiative, we're going to support it. The most important thing is data. He must know his people. That it's easy for us to support either at the state level or the federal level.
The Olowu of Owu Kingdom, Abeokuta Obasaka Adelola Matemilola, acknowledges that the initiative is his own little way of giving back to the society that groomed him.
Only when we empower them, not just give them money, but support them in terms of education, in terms of skill, in terms of basic bookkeeping, and then give them mentors as well and coach them so that they can scale up even when they begin on a small scale.
For other stakeholders, the project, which has been impacting the lives of women in the last 5 years, is targeting 1 million Nigerians for financial empowerment at zero interest rate.
We believe that this is the right mix of what is needed: capital, support, exposure, and hand-holding.
Leaders are everywhere in the world, and I think it's very important that people are given the opportunity.
Certificates of participation were presented to the beneficiaries. In Abeokuta, Akim Jimo, Nta News.
To strengthen the bond between security agencies and the Christian community in Ijebu land, as well ensure protection of life and property, the Asiwaju Nta Ijebu Chief Chris Okunawo has hosted the new area commander of the Nigerian police in charge of Ijebu Ode Area Command, SCP Wasiu Yusuf, and the Christian community in Ijebu land to a befitting reception. Gbemileke Odebo, who was at the event, held at the Asiwaju Goodwill Lodge in Imekpe, Ijebu Ode, now reports. Addressing his visitors, who are mostly members of Christian Association of Nigeria, Ijebu chapter, and the recently deployed Ijebu Ode Area Commander of the Nigerian Police, SCP Wasiu Yusuf, the Asiwaju Nta Ijebu Chief Chris Okunawo, said the gathering was to honor the security chief, as well as strengthen the bond between security agencies and the residents of Ijebu land. The Asiwaju Nta added that the security agencies and faith leaders working in unity is essential for the safety of life and property of the people, with a charge on the people of Ijebu land to be more united, even as they pray for the land.
We can only thrive in an environment of peace. Okay, and I was very happy that the area commander has his own projects he's trying to accomplish, and is solicited the support of the Christian community, and we have assured him that we'll be most ready to help out.
The Ijebu Ode Area Commander of the Nigerian Police, SCP Wasiu Yusuf, commended Ijebu Christian community, led by the Asiwaju, for the warm reception and solicited the support of the people for a watertight security of the whole Ijebu land.
Ijebu land people should be expecting more by the special grace of God from me. I've never disappointed them in the past. In the various capacity we have served in the land, they should be expecting greater things to come in terms of security by the special grace of God.
Some of the clergymen in their goodwill messages appreciated the police for the laudable works and also encouraged them to increase surveillance in order to combat crime and criminality within the area command.
It's a very unique occasion because it's the first of its kind, and we're glad that church leaders across the land are able to come together and then welcome him formally and assure him of our prayers, cooperation and support.
Since he arrived, we have been enjoying, experiencing peaceful coexistence in the land, and that is what suits the Asiwaju Onigbagbo of Ijebu land to deem it fit that he should be invited for such a lunch.
We should all remain one, continue to pray for this country, for this state, under the leadership of His Excellency Omobadakwa Abiodun.
Special prayers were thereafter offered for the family of the Asiwaju Onigbagbo Akile Ijebu, the SCP, the entire Ijebu land, as well as successful creation of Ijebu state in the nearest future. In a heartwarming display of royal unity and respect, the Tunwashe family of the Fushegbu ruling house has paid a courtesy call on the General Olurebi of Fushegbu ruling house, Otumba Abdulateef Oweyemi, at his White House residence in Idowa, Odogbolu local government area, Ogun State. Ifeolu Ashaolu was at the Afin Jadiara Lateef Oweyemi Palace, Idowa, venue of the visit.
On arrival at Jadiara Lateef Oweyemi Palace, Idowa, the Tunwashe family, led by the Olorebi Alhaji Razak Shanibare, were warmly received by the host, Otumba Abdulateef Adebayo Oweyemi, who is the Olorebi of the Fushegbu ruling house and other elders in council. Addressing the press shortly after a closed-door meeting by the family, the Olorebi of Tunwashe family, Alhaji Razak Shanibare, and a prominent member of the family, Professor Lasun Balamose, said the courtesy visit was to identify with Otumba Abdulateef Oweyemi as the authentic Olorebi of Fushegbu ruling house. The Olorebi of the family, however, expressed their readiness to work hand in glove with him to return back unity and peace into Fushegbu ruling house and by extension ensure peaceful process of selection of the new Awujale. Welcoming his visitors, the Olorebi of Fushegbu ruling house, Otumba Abdulateef Oweyemi, appreciates the members of Tunwashe family for the visit and identify with him and elders in council. The Olorebi, who emphasized more on the need for unity and love among members of Fushegbu ruling house, especially at this crucial time when all eyes are on Fushegbu ruling house to produce the next Awujale of Ijebu land, cautioned the family not to bow to pressure from outsiders that might want to frustrate their patience. Assuring the Tunwashe family is resolved to work with them and other members of the Fushegbu ruling house to produce best candidates to the 11-member committee set up by the Ogun State Governor, Dapo Abiodun, to pick new Awujale. He, however, appealed for the support of the general public to ensure free and fair selection process of the new Awujale. In Ijebu Ode, Ifeolu Ashaolu, NTA News.
You are still watching NTA. Ijebu is at 7. We're not going on a short break. Please stay tuned.
Oh, what a wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply. Or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.
Welcome back from the break and thank you for rejoining us. As part of its preparation to produce the next Nta Ijele of Ijebu Land, Fushegun ruling house of Ijebu Land has announced the formation of a 5-member screening committee to evaluate aspirants jostling for the throne of the Nta Ijele of Ijebu Land. The head of Fushegun ruling house, Chief Adedokun Ajidagba, made this announcement at a press conference held on Wednesday at the Uleland compound in Agunshebi, Ijebu Ode. Anthony Gandono has the details.
Our ruling house, Chief Adedokun Ajidagba, in his words during the press conference, said the step is similar to 1983 saga in which the then Ogun State Governor, Chief Olabisi Onabanjo, called on Fushegun ruling house to produce a candidate who will oversee the throne following the suspension of Oba Sikiru Kayode Adetono, the late Nta Ijele of Ijebu Land, before the move was overtaken by events. The Olori Ebi described the formation of the screening committee as historic.
The 5-men committee we have set up, I can vouch for them. They are men of integrity, and that's what we are going to do. We just stand warning to be very, very careful.
Chief Ajidagba, who expressed appreciation to the Ogun State government for setting up an administrative council committee to run the affairs of Ijebu Ode as well oversee the emergence of new Nta Ijele, emphasized that the newly constituted screening committee will play a crucial role in presenting qualified candidates to the kingmakers. Also speaking, heads of Anikilaya and Belegbu ruling houses commended Chief Ajidagba's leadership and expressed their willingness for continuous support.
Being in support of this Fushegun ruling house as the next ruling house to produce candidates to occupy the post of Nta Ijele, chieftaincy title.
I will wish you anybody that you are going to produce should be intelligent somebody.
Thank you, sir.
And that would be welcome to every one of us.
The press conference was well attended by members of the Fushegun ruling house as well as representatives of Anikilaya and Belegbu ruling houses. In Ijebu Ode, Anthony Gandono, NTA News.
As part of their communal efforts to take the education sector in Ogbomoso, Oyo State, to the next level, experts in education led by Seun of Ogbomoso Land, Obangandi Afolabi Olaoye, have come together to chart way forward for educational development in the Valiant City. Abdurrauf Kadri reports.
Says technology, innovation, and knowledge are crucial for education advancement to redesign the curriculum to the modern economy to guarantee a better future for the youth.
Education must go beyond classrooms, textbooks, and examinations. It must prepare our children not just to make jobs, but to make decisions.
Community participation in education in Ogbomoso, experts say, will enhance and elevate high school standards.
Together, we can build a vibrant and inclusive educational system that leads to both the mind and spirit of our people. Individuals, families, cooperative organizations, religious groups, and NGOs will embrace us to identify critical areas of intervention in the development of education.
Takeaways from the gathering centered on educational infrastructure and deploying technology effectively to enhance learning and teaching.
We have been able to bring everybody together to brainstorm on the issue of education in Ogbomoso land, where we are coming from, where we are presently, and where we want to be.
For the vision they have to put the young people in the front burner in terms of education, in terms of access, aligns well with the President's Renewed Globe agenda.
Abdurrauf Kadri, NTA News.
This will be all we have on our English story. Please stay tuned for Yoruba updates. It's Adetoye Adegbero. My name is Zerafe Ogunshala. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, what a wonderful world of SureClean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with SureClean. SureClean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white and all colors, SureClean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of SureClean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. SureClean detergent makes your family clean and happy. SureClean detergent, happiness with every wash.
Universe
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene, and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now. Admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply. Or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.